What's up, YouTube? It's Danny back in the video, and clearly I don't have a big enough space to unbox this Xbox Series X. This is my first one. If you remember before, I think a few years ago, 2021 I want to say, I bought the Xbox Series S. It was a cool console. My brother now owns that console, and as a PlayStation fanboy, I love PlayStation, don't get me wrong, but I do miss playing some of the classic Xbox exclusive games like Gears of War, Halo, stuff like that. And why not? Why not pick one up for myself? It's been a rough week, and so to keep my mind off things, I figured, hey, just go ahead and get yourself a Series X. Why not? So that's what I did. So we're gonna unbox this console right now, and I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down, and clearly, again, not enough room in the light box, but that's okay. I also picked up the rechargeable battery because as a PlayStation fanboy, I love recharging controllers. I hate using AA's, and so why not pick this up? That way I can just have that same thing for the Xbox. Alright, so this is a very heavy and dense console, as you can probably imagine, or if you own one already, you know what I'm talking about. Let me just pick the camera up as I turn the box around. Brand new. I'm gonna open it up right now. And then, well, I'm headed to church tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up to the TV and get all the updates going and all that stuff. So, yeah, I don't have enough room in this live box, so I'm just going to cut to the Xbox being opened. All right. I will say the packaging on the Xbox, or of the Xbox Series X, is really well done. Really robust. This console is so perfectly rectangle. It's weird. You know, again, coming from owning a Sony PlayStation, or in this case, I own two PS5s, it's refreshing to see just a rectangle, very clean, very basic shape for a console. It looks like a PC. It really does. So, okay. Just thought I'd point it out as I pull this out. And again, if I had more space, I would do this all on camera, but I don't. So we're just doing jump cuts. So no big deal. I'm literally pulling a box out of a box. Big whoop, right? There it is. I just now realized something. I don't think I've ever seen the Series X in person. I didn't realize it was, I thought it was a lot bigger than it is. This is pretty small, in my opinion. But yeah, let's derobe it, I guess, right? I'm pretty sure I've never seen the Series X in person. Again, PlayStation fanboy, so I didn't really care at the time, but... And what's crazy is, I was a 360 fanboy. I hated the PS3. But I loved the PS4, and I loved the PS5. But I started wanting a Series X. So again, you know, with personal problems from this week, which I won't go into, because it's really nobody's business but mine, and the person I was talking to, you know, just figure I'd cheer myself up with, you know, video games. Video games are a wonder. They really are. They're an art form. They're a therapist. Video games are very important to me and to millions of people on this planet. You know what else is important? When the Sony focuses instead of doing this thing it's doing, because I'm slightly far away and it can't handle white on white. So sorry about the in and out trying to focus on what's a blatant item in front of me, or an object. But yeah, that being said, you know, yeah, sad boy moment, sad boy purchase, you know. But it'll be fine. It really will be fine. All things pass over time with healing. And, well, time heals is what I'm trying to say, I guess. So, it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and hook this up and get it all connected to my very old Xbox account that's probably 20 years old, I want to say at this point. And get the downloads going and get the games installed. Because I definitely want to play Forza and Flight Simulator. Hopefully no helicopters hit my plane as I'm trying to land. Rest in peace to those people. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. More to come, stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.